There's a row of plants here of one of my favourite crosses in the nursery. This is Nepenthes veitchii crossed with burbidgeae edwardsiana. Really think they're gorgeous. The coloration varies quite a lot, as does the form on the picture. Here's one of them. These are randomly selected. It's a random selection from a very large number of different clones. So if you have one of these, it may well look different again. Now there's one with a different picture shape. You can see if I hold it next to the plant next to it, you can see the picture shape is much longer and the peristome is narrower. This one comes out flared and remains flared. This one does roll back. Moving along, this is on the same plant. Look at this one down here. This one's mostly yellow. Very pretty. Very distinctive and different from the others, but also with a very wide peristome. Lots of lovely pictures on this guy. And going further down, this is from the same grex. You can hardly believe this is not veitchii. This is very hairy, but I'm quite certain it's from the same grex of seeds. But looking at a newly opened picture, or picture that's opening here, we can see that the peristome and everything about the picture shape is very similar to Nepenthes veitchii. So this is a great example of how in a cross the offspring can vary really quite distinctly from one another and be, in some cases, very similar to one parent.